Here's some genealogical heritage trivia. Subscribe. What field studies familial relationships? Is it A, astrobiology, B, mycology, C, genealogy, or D, hematology? The correct answer is C, genealogy. What is the term for tracing ancestry? Is it A, genetic mapping, B, ancestral search, C, family tracking, or D, lineage research? The correct answer is D, lineage research. Which record contains birth or death information? Is it A, legal document, B, vital record, C, educational record, or D, employment file? The correct answer is B, vital record. In genealogy, what does GEDCOM stand for? Is it A, genetic evidence document, B, general data communication, C, genealogical data communication, or D, genealogical data connection? The correct answer is C, genealogical data communication. What platform offers DNA testing for ancestry? Is it A, Family Tree DNA, B, NAFIT, C, Genetic Atlas, or D, 23andMe? The correct answer is D, 23andMe. What denotes a detailed family history account? Is it A, Family Tree, B, Heritage Journal, C, Genealogical Narrative, or D, Ancestral Diary? The correct answer is C, Genealogical Narrative. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.